A trail or deer cam is a device that captures images, either as a still photograph or a video. The images it produces are used for surveillance by hunters. But sometimes these devices capture more than just game. Sometimes they capture the extraordinary and downright bizarre. A man in Georgia set up a trail cam to catch poachers on his property. He also reported seeing strange lights at night, and even went as far as notifying the police. Upon checking the camera the next morning, the man found a strange glowing figure on one of the photographs. The glowing figure is clearly holding a rod or wand, and appears to have wings. Could it be a fairy? Or possibly an angel? This photograph purports to show a deer being pursued by a strange winged creature through the boreal forest in Canada. The creature, which many believe is a demon, has been seen numerous times by locals, many of which refuse to go into the forest alone at night. This very creepy image was snapped in a forest in northern Pennsylvania in 2012. The creature, who appears to be sitting down, seems to be smiling, or possibly trying to attract the deer's attention. This photo was taken in Alpena, Michigan, which is in the upper part of the mitten. The photo appears to show a Bigfoot-like hominid. Many researchers believe that these creatures are extraterrestrials, as UFO sightings are reported when these creatures are seen or photographed. This haunting image was snapped in Big Spring, Texas, and appears to show a ghostly figure of a child. The photograph reveals what appears to be the apparition of a young Native American girl. Big Spring had been a popular watering hole for Native Americans and nomads, including the Jumano, Apache, and the Comanche. A deer hunter captured a strange image of something wandering through the Louisiana woods. The hunter near Baton Rouge reported to the media that he found the image on his deer stand camera. Although the camera was broken, the memory card was still there. And so was this remarkable photograph.